everyone, we're here in McDonald's to take some food, take out, and we're going to Manila right now with my family, and maybe it's 3 days there, and we're going to take something McDo right now, some food. You make me wanna cry. See ya. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Hi guys, we're here already in Dao Terminal and we're just take some bus to Manila.
Dance ito.
Cubao. We'll take some Cubao. Hi guys, we're here already in bus and take a look. We're just waiting for the another passenger and we're going already to Manila. Hi guys, we're here already in Manila, in Mindanao Avenue, and it's already at time 7:51 and 1 hour in traffic in from San Fernando to Bulacan. And the total fee is 187 from Dao to Manila. You take another bus, it's from Quezon Ave to North Fairview. Total amount is 40 pesos per each, so maybe 10 minutes. Hi guys, we're arrived already here in my auntie home or in North Fairview, and I will show to you my auntie. And we're cooking right now some food, and we use tricycle.
Saan ka ba? Nakita mo na yung aking bahay na. Ano ba rin ka kanyan? Ito na ka barangay.
Hi everyone, we're here already in Manila. It's already afternoon. I'm with my cousins and I will show to you. Say hi. Say hi, Sia. Hi. I will show to you the outside where I live right now. Ay, Sia! Sia, dun! Pasok dun! Pasok dun! Pasok here! It's raining! Excited ka, girl?
Dalawa kami.
Hi everyone, good morning. It's my second day here in Manila, in North Fairview, and I will show to you the outside this morning here. And I will share to you how much we spent for the buses here or the travel here. No, I don't like. So the expenses we used for bus is 187. Then we use another bus. It's 40 pesos and tricycle is 100 pesos. So we're going inside the sleep right now. And later we're going to party again. We will drink. So I eat this food. 2 scrambled egg, fried egg, Fish, fried fish, and maling. It's meatloaf. It's so good. So we're going to laundry. Take some clothes. And we use motor.
Salingan na kami.
Yes, they have here a Alphamart. They have Korean restaurant here. Hi guys, we're going to walk in the subdivision with my cousins and my sister. But it's so dark here.
Sayo ka muna 150. Ito yung representative ko. Si Nena ay grade 1. Ganun ba yun? Ay, bata ka. Hi, guys. Saan ba tayo pupunta?
And right now we're taking some bus going to SM for review.
Napakagulo.
At sa lisensya ni Kuya Johnny.
Nandito sa akin, nakalimutan ko iwan sa mga nakasasakyan. Girl, super rush nga ako, girl. Kunin na lang niya dun sa SM.
We're here already in SM for review.
Gawa na rin pamangkin ulit.
Tapos ang pangat. Tingnan mo mamaya at Ani. Gigigil ako.
Tingnan mo si Ate kami.
Tingnan ako pa yun.
Order pa ata. Yung isa nandito kanina, te. Yung isa nandito kanina.
Nang alem. Operate! Anak! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Blow! Blow! Blow job na! Blow job! Ayan! Nani Nena!
So we're going home, guys. So guys, we're going come back to home, and we're traveling right now. We used ano kasi tawag dito? SUV. So worth of the 35 pesos each.
Baboso yan sa vlog niya.
Guys, we're here already in bus and we pay for 187 each from Manila to Pampanga, Dao. So we're here already in Dao Terminal. How many hours? Less than 1 hour? Less than 1 hour. Stay in the bus only, maybe half an hour only. 1.5 only.
1 and 20 minutes.
Okay. So if you come back to Pampanga already, it's 1 hour only. It's depend. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.